Good morning, everyone. This is Teacher David, and this is Fast Track to English. Today, I am going to talk about 3 business idioms that hopefully you can use in your companies or where you work at. So, number 1, get means to get something started. Let's go. Let's not waste any more time. Hey, Janet, that proposal is due next week, so you really need to get the ball rolling on it, please. Bring something to the table. Bring something to the table means to bring something experience or expertise to an organization or a company. For example, I think we should hire Michael because he brings a lot of sales experience to the table. I think that's something that could benefit our company. Last one. Back to square one means to go back to the drawing board. See, there's another one. Back to the drawing board or back to square one means to start all over again because perhaps there was mistakes or processes that were incorrect. So, John, I think we need to go back to square one because some of the people made some mistakes in the project. So we need to start again. Let's go back to square one. Thank you so much for following Fast Track and have a wonderful rest of your day.